Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my craft room and I'm not going to do a big intro to this. I'm just going to show you the mess that I have in here. I don't mind that my kids work on little projects. There's stickers here and a whole pile of feathers. And then I'll show you this mess on the floor, and there's backpacks and lunch boxes. But this is the mess that I'm more wanting to take care of. It is literally the last day of school for my kids, and I have an hour before they're home. So I'm kind of in a mad rush, and we're also going out of town tonight. We're going to Portland, so stay tuned for those videos. But I want this mess taken care of because I have editing to do for a couple hours before we leave. So stick around while I clean my craft room and see how it ends up. Alright you guys, that is it. I'll show you the room all cleaned up, and I hope you come back for more. Take care, subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you later.